I closed my first 10k high ticket deal in under 30 days. And no, I didn't have a big audience, a personal brand, or even a clue what I was doing when I started. What I did have was this one strategy. You see, most people trying to sell high ticket offers online are doing it completely backwards. They're pushing products, begging for DMs, and sending desperate cold messages that get left unread. But when you flip the script, when you stop trying to sell and start pulling people into conversations that feel real and natural, well then everything changes. That's how I went from nothing to my first 10k deal in under a month. And here's the best part. I didn't use paid ads. I didn't have a personal brand, and I didn't even use Zoom to do it. I used this one system built around conversation framework that gets people to close themselves. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I did it, the offer I sold, the system I used, and the exact strategy that turned cold traffic into a 10k payday. I'll even give you the exact script I used for free. You can grab that from the link in the description. And if you're serious about closing high ticket deals, then hit that subscribe button because this is just the start. I release 2 videos every week to help you build an income online. Most people selling high ticket think it's about persuasion, but it's not. They think it's about being great at talking, but it's not. It's about structure, psychology, and knowing exactly how to lead someone through a buying decision without sounding like a desperate salesperson. So let me give it to you straight. You can't just show up in someone's DMs and drop a 5k offer. That is never going to work. And you can't just run an ad and expect someone to book a 3k call after watching a 30-second video by someone they've never heard of before or never seen before. You need a system and you need a flow. So think about it like this. Most people sell in a straight line. Here's my offer, book a call, then let's close. But that approach only works if you've already built serious trust with your audience. If not, then you're screwed. What I use and what I teach is a non-linear conversion model, which is goal-orientated sales. And it works like this. First, you meet them where they are, whether that's cold content or inbound interest. Then you ask questions that bring their pain to the surface, so it's clear to them that they need a solution. You then loop that pain into future desire, or future pacing as I call it. And finally, you position your offer as the bridge that gets them there. From pain to solution. No pressure, just clarity and direction. That's what sets real closers apart from desperate freelancers trying to sell DMs like candy. And the best part is, you don't even need to close someone who's already convinced they need what you offer. You just need to show up with the right energy, the right offer, and the right sequence to back it up. Okay, so here's the system I used to close that first 10k deal. It wasn't a website, it wasn't a 15-part email sequence, it was one funnel, one lead magnet, and one conversation that did all of the heavy lifting for me. Let me break it down piece by piece. Okay, this is where you attract attention, but not just random views. You create short form content like Reels, Shorts, or TikToks that hit directly at the pain point your offer solves. No trends, no dancing, no fake lifestyle bullshit. Just straight up, I know what you're struggling with, and here's the solution to it sort of energy. So in my case, I posted a short video about how most coaches and consultants are selling wrong. No pitch, no call to action, just the truth. That video got 3k views. It didn't go viral, but it was enough to get people curious. Then, once they were curious, I sent them straight into a 2-step funnel. On page 1, I had a free resource for them to download. Mine was a short PDF with the framework that I teach. Just enough value to spark trust. Now, of course, in the years since then, my free resources have improved to make them higher converting, but how the funnel works has stayed the same. Then on page 2, I had a video walkthrough and my call to action. This was where I told the story behind the system, why it works, and I invited them to book a call if they wanted help implementing it. No fake scarcity, not a 90-minute webinar, just a clean, straightforward, value-based structure. And guess what? 17 people downloaded the PDF. 4 of them booked calls, and 1 of them closed for a 10K coaching package. That's the power of quality over quantity, and it proves that you don't need a big following to sell high ticket online. Now, here's where the magic happens. Before they even booked the call, they were already in a conversation. After the lead downloaded the PDF, I followed up with a simple message. Hey, saw you grab the download, curious what stood out to you. That one question sparked a 10-minute back and forth where they told me exactly what problem they had. I didn't have to pitch, I just reflected the gap, then pointed to the solution, all while pacing and leading. So by the time we jumped on a call, they were already 90% sold. And the call? 15 minutes, a rock solid script, clarity, certainty, and the solution they believed in. And here's the part no one talks about. I didn't have the fanciest funnel. I didn't have any case studies. I didn't even have any testimonials yet. But what I did have was a structure and a message that solved a real problem. So if you're trying to close high ticket deals in 2025, then forget all the complicated stuff. You don't need an agency. You don't need a team. You just need 3 things. A message that makes people stop scrolling and pay attention, a funnel that builds trust without piling on the pressure, and a sales flow that feels more like helping than hustling. This is the system I used to close my first 10K deal. I still use it to close deals every single month. And I've taught it to hundreds of others who have gone from never selling anything online to becoming high ticket killers. Let me make this crystal clear. Nobody buys a 5K offer because they're interested. They buy it because something deeper has been triggered. High ticket buyers don't act on impulse. They act when logic and emotion collide. When the pain of staying the same outweighs the fear of changing. And if you don't understand that, you'll spend months trying to sell offers that nobody is mentally or emotionally ready for. So let me break down what's really happening inside the head of a high ticket buyer. A $10 course solves a problem, but a $10,000 program fixes a self-image. They're not paying for access, they're paying to become the version of themselves they've been trying to become for years. So the real question you need to ask is, who do they believe they will become by saying yes to this offer? If your content, your funnel, and your conversations don't reinforce that identity shift, they'll bounce. Because humans don't just buy outcomes, we buy transformation. Most beginner sellers are scared to talk about pain. But the truth is, people don't buy high ticket when they feel good. They buy when they realise what it's costing them to stay the same as they are now. And I don't mean being manipulative or pushy. I mean guiding them to see what's already true. You want to ask the questions that expose the cost of inaction. Questions like, what happens if nothing changes in the next 6 months? What's the real reason this problem hasn't been solved yet? And how is this showing up in your day-to-day life right now? This is how you move them emotionally, because emotion opens doors and logic walks them through. Here's what you need to understand. The number one thing a high ticket buyer is looking for is certainty. Not hype, not discounts, not the fear of missing out. Certainty. Certainty that you understand their world. Certainty that you've helped others like them. And certainty that your solution will actually work for them. So instead of pushing harder, you need to show them clarity, like a clear pathway from pain to result. A clear timeline, and a clear breakdown of what's required and what they can expect. Because pressure triggers resistance, but clarity? Well, clarity triggers commitment. Okay, so here's the bottom line. If you want to sell high ticket offers in 2025, you can't just focus on funnels and scripts. You need to understand the internal world of your buyer, because people don't just say yes when they understand you. They say yes when they feel like you understand them. And if you want to go deeper on that, there's a free script in the description that shows you how to build this psychology into every DM and every sales call. It's the same script I used to close that first 10k deal, and it's the same one I still use today. Let's be real, you don't need 6 weeks, a 2k course, or a designer funnel to start selling high ticket. You need 1 weekend, a Google Doc, and this checklist. Because the biggest lie people believe is, I need to feel ready before I can take action. No, you don't. You need a plan and a little bit of pressure. So let me show you how to build the system that closed my first 10k deal. And you can build this all for yourself in 72 hours or less. Okay, so day 1, you need to nail the message. Forget Canva, forget logos at this point. If your message sucks, then your funnel is irrelevant. Your message should answer this question. What painful problem does my offer solve, and who needs it the most? Then open a document and write a 1-sentence power pitch. I help X do Y without Z. Then write 3 pieces of content that speak directly to their pain. Use your phone, shoot it raw, add captions, then post it. Done. Day 2, you need to build your funnel. It just needs to be simple and profitable. So take that messaging that I help X do Y without Z and turn it into a 2-page funnel. On page 1, give free value. This could be through a PDF, a mini course, or a checklist. Just keep it tight and keep it under 5 pages or under 10 minutes if it's a mini course. Then on page 2, you want your call to action. This would be a 2 to 5 minute video where you explain who the resource is for, you tell a short story about how it helped you or how it helped your client, and invite them to book a call to go deeper. A quick pro tip for you, use Calendly along with MailChimp or ConvertKit to automate the whole process. Finally, on day 3, create the post-download DM follow-up. This is where the money is made. Create one automated email that sends after they grab the freebie. Just say something like, hey, saw you grab the script, what stood out the most to you? Then hop into the DMs with that exact same question. You don't need a 15-part email sequence. You need a real conversation that makes the right person feel seen. If they reply, you guide them. If they don't, follow up in 24 hours. If they ghost you, then move on. Remember, speed, volume, and clarity equals momentum. That's it. Funnel built, flow ready, conversations incoming. Now you have a high ticket sales system that attracts attention through content, builds trust with a funnel, and converts in DMs before calls even happen. You don't need a big audience. You don't need any fancy tools. You just need this structure and the guts to go out and launch it yourself. And if you want to shortcut the entire process, you can download the exact script and funnel I used for free. The link to that is in the description below. It's easy, plug and play, no bullshit. Alright, so by now you've seen the whole system, you understand how you attract leads with pain-based content, how you filter them through a simple 2-step funnel, and how you guide the right people into conversations that are proven to convert. So the question is, why does this work when most other strategies fall flat? Well, let me break it down for you. Most people try to convince. They pitch, they push, and they pray for attention. But in high ticket sales, that energy repels people because our brains have become so attuned to identifying a salesperson that as soon as we hear that classic pushy sales pitch, we switch off. We come up with excuses and we end the call or we ghost the DMs. However, this system I'm giving you works because it's built around questions, clarity and trust. You're not showing up to beg, you're showing up to diagnose and help someone. There's a big difference in that. Most sales systems break the second you leave your warm audience. This one, it's engineered for strangers, people who have never heard your name before and never spoken to you before. But within 5 minutes of content and one value-led funnel, they trust you because you didn't try to sell to them. You just helped them with value. That's the golden combo. Most people either go full automation and lose the trust of their audience, or full one-on-one and burn out fast. But this system, one funnel, one message and one follow-up flow, you can do it solo, you can scale it with a team, it's lightweight, it's low cost and it's high converting. Okay, so now you've got two choices. Option one, do nothing. Keep thinking about it, keep spinning your wheels saying maybe I'll start tomorrow. Or option two, download the exact script that I used to close my first 10k deal, use it for yourself, launch your funnel and start real conversations with real buyers. The link's in the description below. It's completely free, it's plug and play and it is yours to keep. And if you want more real strategies like this from someone who's been in the trenches, who has built what you want to build, no bullshit, no hype, then make sure you hit like, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. I drop 2 videos a week to help you build a real income online that doesn't rely on luck, fake followers or crossing your fingers and hoping for the best. We're building killers here, so are you in or are you out?